Do your chickens like to fly? Mine do. Especially that one right there. So I want to show you a simple trick to keep your chickens inside the pen. It's one thing to keep raccoons and vermin out of your pen. I can show you how to do that in this video. But keeping chickens in the pen is another thing. So this is my humble little chicken pen tucked away in the trees. Now, as you can see, the fence doesn't have to be very tall. This one's at about shoulder height. Those chickens will fly over the fence if they want to and if they can. But what I've done is I've run 2 wires above the fence. First I extend the pole a little farther, and then I have 2 loose wires just dangling from there. And what that does is it discourages the chickens from flying over the fence. They'll try to fly out, hit the wire, and then realize that it's not going to happen. And then from there on, they're imprinted and they're not even going to attempt to do it anymore. This guy here was flying out, but that's because I needed to adjust the wire a little bit. So there you have it, my simple little trick to keep the chickens in the pen. I hope this helps you and helps your chickens.